Okay guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair for first time use. Mainly this is, you wouldn't need to do it every single time you connect to your phone using the Fly app. I've already connected it to my phone, but this is how more or less to get the DJI Mini 3 into quick transfer mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the Mini 3 app. So let's have a look. So I'm just going to search for the Fly app, which is right there. If you see a blur on the top of this drone, it's mainly for thingy. There is an updated version. I'm going to update that quickly. If it'll let me update it. Give me a second. Okay, so that's going to update in the background. Okay, so what you do to get the drone into pairing mode is you power the drone on the same way as you normally do. And then you let it go through its configuration. You'll see the gimbal move on the front. If I just turn that around, you'll see the gimbal move on the front. Once that stops moving and it straightens itself like that, okay, that's the configuration done. So I've updated the Fly app for mobile devices. You won't need to do this thingy. I don't know if you can see the screen clearly enough. So let me just brighten the screen up to max so you can see it. You can barely see it. It's because it's obviously a bright screen. So if I turn it sideways like that, you can see it. So to get the drone into quick transfer mode, press the power button on here 3 times. Okay, and it will start flashing blue. Okay, now normally what you would get is you'll get a connecting option, and it will give you an option it will give you a command to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. So you press, well, for 2 seconds. In my experience, this takes a little bit longer. So press and hold the power button until you get a response on the drone itself to join network. It will say connecting and stuff like that. Once you receive that information on the screen, you'll only need to do this once per phone. So you'll only need to connect the drone. If you're obviously using a new phone, you'd need to reconnect it to the new phone. But that's how you connect the DJI Mini 3 to the Fly app for the first time, and how to activate it on the drone. Thanks very much for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.